Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Well channel. Today market has ended for August 11th. Let's see how market has closed for August 11th and we'll go for forecast for 12th August for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For, for August 11th forecast, so this was the forecast we made on Friday, and I was clearly telling that Nifty can show reversal upside based on Fibonacci retracement, and it can fall down from this point again or reverse from any of the pivot range. So I was telling again and again that Nifty can show reversal upside based on Fibonacci retracement, and it can retrace up to this Nifty range, pivot range. I told this our pivot range was, upper pivot was 460, but it broke even that and it has gone till 24,585. This was not expected, the break above the pivot, but I said cautiousness is required at buy side, and I did not give any target for buy side for today. The reason was because now after the market we can see the Nifty has gone very nicely till above, but during the market we could never be predicted at what point of time it can reverse back. So 2 3 days before, when we are doing pre-prediction, it is very difficult to judge all reversal points. So that is why I said I did not predict any point for buy side, because I know it is reversing, but I was not sure at which point it is going to reverse back, because on Friday it went and touched the bottom, right? It's the bottom low, and afterwards we know that it is going to retrace back. Fibonacci retracement it will do, but I did not give any reversal targets. But I told that if anybody is already in buy side, use these pivot range for reversals. I spent almost yesterday 5 minutes to talk about this reversal and reverse back. I think some of them who were in buy side could able to book profit till this pivot range. Okay, guys, very good. So let's go for tomorrow's prediction for August 12th. Let me copy it. Okay. For tomorrow, for August 12th, first thing to note for us is the pivot 24505. Okay. So how is this pivot is used? Anything above this pivot, we consider as market is having strength on upper side. Anything below this pivot, psychologically, we consider that Nifty is trading below the day's range, right? But entry point, it depends. Okay. So what happened? The Nifty has closed now plus 221 points. So let's see what is waiting for tomorrow's target. Okay. If we see if Nifty is completely bullish, no, the answer is no. If you see here 30 minutes, the trend line I have drawn, it is higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and still we reached 24,585, 24,600, but still we are in the lower high only. So lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. This is the high, this is the previous high, 24,637. Until the price breaks and closes about 24,637, we cannot say that the lower downward trend is broken. So we have a good reversal, that is all fine, but we should wait for this previous high 24,637 to break the downward trend, not to be bullish still. If this is broken, still it will take 1 or 2 trading session to turn bullish. Why? Because if you see here, it already broke this low. So 24,338 is the Nifty's low, which was yesterday's. So anytime Nifty can again retrace downwards. So we require high alert when doing buy calls still. Okay. So let's see the buy target points. If Nifty crosses 24,605, okay, it will go flat range and require cautiousness at buy side. That is what I said. If Nifty goes about 24,605, it can go little flat range before it goes up. Okay. So what are the targets? If the price cross above and close above 605, the first target is 632. This is a very quick target. So we have a liquidity here to sweep. Okay. And this is the previous high. So the price can touch this point 99%. Okay. Because Nifty has retraced back so much high. Okay. So it can take this liquidity. So this can be a very short target. Okay. To make once it reaches, please come out of buy position. Okay, because we are in downward trend and Nifty can go flat. For option buyers, if it goes flat, you will lose the price because of the price decay. Okay, so exit here and then check for the next entry. Next entry is 24,660. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame. If the price cross 24,660, then the target is 24,834. Okay. So 660, how this target I predicted is, you see here, we have a resistance at 24,634. Once it breaks, so I have given a safe target as 24,660. Then the buy target is 24,834. 24,834 should be 24,661. Yeah, 24,830. Yes, 24,830 is the target. So I have given here two targets. Both are 24,830. So you see 24,830. 2 hours, 24,634. If it breaks, let me a little bit correct. This is okay. Here, let me correct something. 24,632. If it crosses above 24,635, the next target 24,660. Let's go step by step. 24,660. Yes. If it crosses 24,770, so 24,670, then target is, this is target 2, this is target 3. Okay. Okay, guys. So we have marked the target. So we have the final resistance at a fair value gap at 24,835, and we have the resistance following 900. So I think this should be good. Let me come back to 30 minutes. Okay, so we have our buy target very clear for Nifty. So about 24,605, target is 24,632. Again, re-enter at 24,635. Target 2 is 24,660, and again re-enter at 24,670. The target is 24,830. So I'm giving different entries and different targets because we are in downward trend. So we cannot say at what point of time Nifty will reverse. So I am giving a very safe range for re-entry and retarget. Okay, so this is for the buy target. Yes. For the sell target, if the price cross and close below 24,531. Okay, so currently the price is 585. So I think I have given this range at 5 minutes. Once it breaks 24,531, so there are some support points are there. So considering those support points, 24,531, the target will be 24,472, 472, and about 24,460, it is 24,405. Below 24,400, the target will be 24,350. Okay, 24,350. This target comes from here, the 1 hour trend line, and below after that it was the low point. So we have to be very careful. Once it breaks 24,350, then we have to enter look for more downward side, down movement. Yeah, so that is what I said. Finally, if it breaks the previous support 24,339, then we can go for more lower targets of 24,250 and 24,50. But the way the Nifty goes now, I think for a couple of more days, it will go very much flat range. It won't follow the right price action. It will go very much flat range because these lower lows, it broken this low, but still it is going up to break this low high. The price action is getting negated. So this, if it breaks this one for tomorrow, then it will go very flat. Okay, but let's see that for tomorrow. So these are the targets for Nifty for tomorrow, guys. Okay, so let me also update. Yes. Okay, guys, let's go for Bank Nifty. This is for August 12th. Okay, so let's go for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, what happened was very interesting. Okay, so it went below 100 points. It touched the target 54,902, 54,902. So I told below 54,990, the first target I said was 54,895, but it got reversed from 54,902. So it went below for 90 points, close to 90 points, and it has and just again retraced back on the same as Nifty. But if you see here, already Bank Nifty is exactly at the resistance at here. So it has taken the resistance. So more cautiousness required for Bank Nifty. Okay. Let's see the prediction for tomorrow for Bank Nifty. Okay, for August 12th, first thing to notice, the pivot is 55,345. So it is almost above the pivot range of tomorrow. The price is above the pivot range for tomorrow. So for buy targets, if the price cross and sustains above 55,665, okay, see 55,655 is this point. So I wanted the price to break the previous high point of this point, which is 55,653. So I given a safe point as 55,665. So I want the price to close above 55,655, 665, and then go for a buy target. So I've given a clear target of around 90 points, 70 to 80, 90 points. So once the price close above this range, so it is breaking this high. So there are more chances the price will go up to 55,738. Okay. So 55,738 should be the target. So this one we said it has to break, and then Yes, 55,738. So we have the next resistance of 55,738, which is good. Okay. So then exit your first entry for 55,738. Then for next entry, it is above 55,745. So once the price stays above 55,745, the next target is 5600. This is almost 300 points target. So only above 55,745, we have more chances to resume the bullish rally. Okay, so the 5600, this target is coming from 4 hours time frame. So 5698. So I'm expecting if the price is crossing above 55,745, it would be coming to 5600 as the first target. Okay, as a final target. On sell side, if the price cross and sustains below 55,365, okay. So current price is 55,510. So I would want the price to come below this point, okay, below this candle. Okay, so there is a price negation happened here, pullback here. To confirm sell side, it is better to break below this range, 55,367. Okay, that is why I put 55,365. Okay, so this candle here, we like to break. So below 55,365, we can have a sell target of 55,150. Okay, above this, I think it will be in from 15 minutes. 55,238. 55,205. So I can more precise this. First target, we can keep it as 55,238. Okay, because we have a strong support at 55,200. Okay, so we have some support at 55,200. So let's have the first target as 55,238 and then wait for the price to again break below 5,500, because till 5,500 there are support. Okay, let the price break this point, 55,130, to go for 54,980. Little bit I will precise it. 55,130, 55,980. Okay, then wait for 54,900. Then we'll have lower targets of 54,800 and 54,700 respectively. So if it breaks 54,900, then it is completely resuming the sell side. So this below 54,900, comfortably price will reach to 54,800 and 54,700 respectively. So now for tomorrow, we require high cautiousness on buy side, even if we have to wait for Banknifty to break 55,665 range, and even if it breaks, you have to be very careful. Price can start going flat also, because you see here a high point, low high. The low high is already broken. It is high, but here already the price is breaking the lower low here. So price is not following particular pattern. It is going like a zigzag pattern. So price is not exactly matching the movement. So we cannot clearly say it is a buy trend or uptrend. Most probably it can go flat range. So be careful for option buyers to capture the trend, to have the price accelerating. Okay, so that is why I've given a safe targets for entry. Use this entry for the target, and some of the targets are very close to exit. Some of the targets are very large to exit. It depends upon the price condition. Okay, that's all, guys. So for tomorrow's trade recommendation, all the best for everyone. So let's see tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you. Bye.